Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Gannon's first Section 8 rental property. Guys, Gannon bought this house for $25,000. Yes, $25,000. And I'm gonna embed some pictures right now to show you what this place looked like when he did buy it and why it was $25,000. This is one of the worst houses we have done in the last 12 months. Floor to ceiling trash, exterior rotted all the way through, interior rotted all the way through, significant damage throughout the entire house. When Gannon purchased it, it was a 3-bedroom. What we did here is we added another bathroom, we added 2 more bedrooms, and we added a laundry room and water heater room. So it is now a 5-bedroom, 2-bath. Gannon spent $102,000 to get this up and running. ARV on this is well into the 140s, 150s. So we're in a great spot. There's not a lot of 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom houses in this area. Section 8 rent here, guys, going to be about somewhere between $1,450 and $1,600 a month, which is unbelievable. So really excited to take you through here. And when you see the transformation of what this house has become, it's pretty spectacular. On the back half of this house, there was an old, dirty storage room. And I've put some pictures in so you can see what that room looked like. You're gonna be amazed on what it looks like now. But I wanna walk you through it. We'll talk a little bit about kind of what we did here. So we took 5 dumpsters of trash and debris out of this house, and that was first. Then we came in, we did virtually everything that needs to be done here. Plumbing, electrical, drywall, cosmetic, flooring, subfloor, woodwork, structure work, floor work, roof, water heaters, everything, you name it, we did it. And it came out amazing. So you walk through the living room we have a nice big dining room here. And then off of this dining room, we have bedroom number 1 at the very end of the hallway, okay? So bedroom 1, guys, looks out onto the street. It is a nice quiet street. We have a really good sized bedroom here. And one of the things when you're trying to build units that are 5 bedrooms and you're turning a 3 to a 5, you have to make sure that the layout still makes sense. You can't jam in too many bedrooms, otherwise nobody's gonna wanna live here. So in this instance, we've added a lot of square feet to where it still makes sense for somebody to come in here and wanna live. So we have bedroom 1 right here. As we walk out through the hallway, we have bedroom number 2. Okay, so bedroom number 2, a little bit smaller, still very nice, and keep in mind, still some trim work that we need to do in here. This is just kind of, all the major work has been done. We'll have our trim team come back through here and tighten up all the trim work throughout this whole house. So bedroom number 3, guys, didn't have a closet, built a closet in here. This was like an old study. So it was technically a bedroom, but not in Section 8 standards. So we walked to the end of the hallway and we have a bathroom. So we redid this bathroom entirely, all new tub, new toilet, and nice new big vanity in here as well. And then the kitchen. So we totally redid the kitchen. Entire kitchen was redone. All new flooring, all new subfloor, everything was rotted out in here. And you know, in terms of getting this thing ready and totally changing the demographic of this kitchen, that's what we've done. So really excited about how it came out. Really, honestly, the transformation has been pretty unbelievable from what it was to what it is now. So very thrilled about that. Now, as we walk into the back of the house, so guys, this was that storage room. This was that storage area, and as you can see, a lot of the trim work here isn't done. Some of the outlet work isn't done. We have to get new backing for that countertop to make it a little bit lower so the outlets aren't covered. And then we'll do all new sheetrock here, of course, and tighten up the trim. But with that being said, so this was the old storage room. So you open this back door off the kitchen. We had this big, ugly, nasty storage area where there was just junk and debris. So you walk in here now, And there's a brand new laundry room, okay? So we have our washer dryer hookups, our GFIs of course, brand new water heater, all new plumbing. Everything looks really good here, okay? Of course, new HVAC throughout the entire house, all new ventilation above, air returns up here. Really came out nice. Right across the hall, we have our brand new bathroom, okay? Everything in here brand new, turned out amazing. Totally fired up about how this turned out, and this is going to be a really nice wing of the house for whoever moves in here. And then at the end of the house, we added 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedroom right here, and of course still waiting on our trim work on the bottom. Really big closet, really maximize the size of this thing. And then as we walk through, back through the hallway, we have an exit door in the back so people can come and go from the back, you know, if this is where they end up living in the home. And we have our 5th bedroom back here. So really came out amazing, guys. And you know, when we're doing these large scale remodels, we want to try to do our best with the square footage that we have. So you have a big room like this that's already pre-existing in the back of the home. We didn't add this room. It was already here. And we have the ability to add bedrooms to it without compromising the layout of the rest of the house. So that's what we did. And in doing that, it allows us to maximize the value of what we have. And originally, when we decided to do this rehab in Gannon and wanted to pursue this house, we weren't going to do anything with this back of the home. We were just going to leave it. We're going to leave this house as a 3-1. But then when we got in it and we got all the junk and we got all the debris out of it, then you realize, okay, we can actually make this into something that is going to cash flow better for us, and that is going to have a much higher appreciation value. So adding the extra bedroom, our extra bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, adding the extra bathroom, we go from getting $1,200 a month in Section 8 for a 3-bedroom up to about $1,500 a month in Section 8 for a 5-bedroom. Plus, the people that live in here are going to want to live in here forever. So much of this house is literally brand new. The layout's great. Nothing was sacrificed. And so much of the interiors and the mechanicals of this house are brand new. And because of that, we cut down on maintenance for decades. New water heater, we don't have to worry about that for 15 to 20 years. New HVAC unit, don't have to worry about that for 15 years. Tons of new plumbing, tons of new electrical. There's so much in this house that now we're not gonna have to worry about touching for a long period of time. So guys, I'm super fired up for Gannon. What a home run for a first project. If you wanna do stuff like this, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll do all this stuff hand in hand. It's not scary if you do it with people and you do it with a team that know what they're doing, that have replicated success over and over and over again. So guys, please leave your questions, comments below. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.